Despite the outbreak of the coronavirus in many countries of the world, it is still necessary for many people to go out on the street and go to their work, and in order to achieve victory in the face of the emerging virus, the experts on sustainable dry cleaning 5ASEC provides a set of advice on cleaning. 1. Handle your clothes carefully. If you come from work, the clothes should be immediately placed in the washing bag, with the clothes not shaken in the air to avoid the spread of the virus. It is advisable to wear gloves, and leaving the insulated clothes in the bag for 1 day may dissolve the virus. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds immediately after putting the clothes in the wash bag or in the washing machine, then wash the wash bag frequently, or use disposable bags. 2. Clean clothes appropriately. A mixture of detergents and warm water can work as a machine washer to remove and eliminate viruses. Wash your things at the highest recommended temperature with a high-quality detergent, soap, and if appropriate for clothes, detergents, which contain a very effective bleach, can be used to eliminate viruses. Try to avoid wearing clothes that should be washed at low temperatures, such as silk, and dark colors, which may degrade. But if you wear it, you must iron it with steam or iron to remove viruses. 3. Wash sheets at least once a week. Bed sheets should be washed at least once a week, preferably every 3 to 4 days. This helps get rid of sweat, saliva, other fluids and falling skin, which can affect your health. Dust mites feed on fallen skin cells and can cause allergies and asthma. 4. Dry at high temperatures. After washing clothes, towels, blankets and other items, we recommend thoroughly drying them at a high temperature. If you are concerned about delicate textiles that do not withstand high temperatures, we recommend wearing more durable items or contacting cleaning professionals. 5. Ironing clothes at high temperatures to remove wrinkles and eliminate germs. Now is the time to use steam irons, and it can also be used to clean clothes and help eliminate germs. In addition, bed sheets and clothes can be ironed at a high temperature, and keep the iron moving slowly.